Nvidia's brand new series of GPUs just had their pricing revealed, and this could be huge. But before we get to that, GPUs are literally catching fire. Hello and welcome everyone to Gamer Crate. Let's dive straight into today's news. First up, the GPU melting fiasco has taken a fiery turn. One unlucky PC owner claims their Zotac RTX 5090 amp Extreme actually burst into flames mid-game during a Battlefield 6 session. And unlike most previous cases with DIY builds, this was in a pre-built NZXT system. The user reported the screen froze, there was a flash and a burning smell, and then actual flames inside the PC. The fire lasted about 10 seconds, leaving the 5090 completely charred and damaging nearly everything else inside, from the AIO cooler to the motherboard and even the SSD. According to Unicos Hardware, the likely cause was a MOSFET short on the MSVD rail, basically a power delivery failure in an area with no cooling. In short, total system loss. The pre-built shop and Zotac's local agents are now inspecting the unit, but whether the user gets a full replacement or just repair fees is still unclear. What is clear, though, is that Nvidia has gone from melting connectors to allegedly sparking full-on fires. Next up, Nvidia's RTX 5000 Super Series looks closer than ever. Reports say Nvidia is planning a refresh less than a year after launch, likely to counter AMD's push. And now, new leaks claim the supercards will be priced the same as their non-super versions. $999 for the 5080 Super, $749 for the 5070 Super, and $549 for the 5070 Super. While not exactly cheap, they're all getting memory upgrades, up to 24 GB of GDDR7 on the higher-end cards, and 18 GB for the 5070 Super. That one also gets a core bump, while the rest should see higher clock speeds. Clearly, Nvidia is targeting AMD's RX 9700 XT directly, and with both sides pushing harder, it only means better options for gamers. So that's it for today's roundup. What do you think? Comment below.